we're going to go further and talk about the business side of AI tools. So let's do that now. All right, so now we're going to talk about ChatGPT. Unfortunately, I can't talk about Claude because Claude is not available in Canada. So AI bots like ChatGPT and Claude are like having a strategic partner in your pocket. That's right. And they're going to help you write proposals, build business strategies, draft emails, or even create full marketing campaigns. That's right. So if you just want a quick pro tip, don't ask, write me a cold email. Instead, you can do what I've typed over on the screen there. Act as my marketing manager and write a warm follow-up to a client who hasn't responded in 3 days. And as you can see, the difference in quality is absolutely huge with this program. All right, so now we're going to move on and talk about Perplexity AI. All right, Perplexity AI we're talking about now. And you know, it's unlike ChatGPT because Perplexity is built for research. And you get real-time data with sources and citations, perfect for market research, fact-checking, and staying competitive. So let's just say you want to do some research on what kinds of cats are in Africa. Boom. And it's going to give you, look at this. Look at the detail this goes into for just a simple search, like what kinds of cats are in Africa, for example. So it's the ultimate research AI companion. I really enjoy using it. It has a lot of really in-depth detail about all the results that you see there on the screen. I absolutely love Perplexity AI. And now we are going to talk about Gamma AI. So we're going to do that right now. All right, Gamma. How awesome is this? Now, do you hate making presentations? If you're anything like me, I'm not really down with making presentations. I do it if I have to do it. But what's really cool about Gamma and the benefits I've been getting from it is that I can turn a simple text prompt into a full slide deck with designs included. For example, I just have to type in, create a 10-slide pitch deck, a fitness app which targets businesses professionally, and boom, it does it within seconds, okay? It even picks images and layouts automatically, guys. How awesome is that? This app is absolutely incredible. I really enjoy Gamma AI, and you guys could probably get a lot out of it if you're doing presentations and those kinds of things and you're trying to create slides. I recommend this program. It's really awesome, and you could join over 50 million users that are using it right now, guys. So whether you're a solopreneur like myself or leading a startup, these tools eliminate busy work so you can focus on what really moves the business forward. And I think that's important to everybody because you want to keep moving your business forward.